Hey, what's up guys, it's Nadir back here with another video. So I have not been uploading some videos lately. I think I have uploaded my last video, I think March 18 or 15, and after that I haven't uploaded any videos. Before this year I used to be very much consistent, and that particular year I used to have around 300 to 400 subscribers each month. So that consistency has been totally gone. So from April onwards I think I'll be trying to upload a consistent amount of videos of anything, app, unboxing, whatever the materials or whatever the latest content I will upload it on YouTube. So anyway, in this video I will be showing how you can actually connect WhatsApp or get connected in a WhatsApp eco space where you can access WhatsApp in multiple devices without changing your WhatsApp number. If you have 2 or 3 phones, you can also access WhatsApp in there without changing your number. In that process there will be no rooting of your Android devices, no, you can say no apps, no APKs, no any third-party application, no other hacking or cracking system. This is basically simple based a internet connection related thing or internet connection procedure which allow you to implement WhatsApp on your various multiples, like if you have access to WhatsApp on TV, or if you have internet connection on your smartphone or smart TV. Then if you have using or if you have any Surface or laptop devices, Apple iMac, or any device, any electronic device which suppose WhatsApp or enables you to install WhatsApp on it, you can do that without changing your numbers. So yes, so let's get right into the video. So it's been quite a long talk at the beginning of the video, so I don't want you to be bored actually. So let's get going into the video and let's see a short video how it's going on. So let's see. Okay, so in order to get WhatsApp in multiple phones or anywhere, this procedure should be followed. First, as you know that if you scan your WhatsApp in WhatsApp web, it will take you to desktop version. But in this it is different. In smartphone, if you want to get to WhatsApp without using any third-party application or APKs or any unwanted third-party apps by which enables you to get WhatsApp in a dual channel way without using any two numbers or having one number in your smartphone. But that's a totally different case. It is much more time consuming, not data efficient, storage consuming, so whatever, blah blah blah. So anyways, it's better to get that all the shit ideas aside and come to this first. At first, go to Chrome, then open WhatsApp web. You will see at the time you will be greeted with WhatsApp web page screen that you will see no QR code to scan and enter. But again, if you click on the 3 dots as shown, touch to desktop side option on that 3 dot option menu below, and the web page then starts to reload to desktop version in a miniature size, and there you can see the QR code to scan similarly like you do on desktop. After that experience, you can see that all the functionality of the desktop based WhatsApp is there in a smaller version, that is the smaller display for your smartphone. You can zoom in, zoom out, but it is little bit laggy enough, but not too much lagginess. You can do whatever the things you like to do on WhatsApp. It is available except the front cameras, because it's a desktop version in a smaller size because of your smartphone display. So anyways guys, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you have liked the video. So it is actually short, quite a new methodological way where you can use WhatsApp in a very precise, concise manner with without changing the numbers, having two WhatsApp synced across all devices. So okay, it's Nadri, leaving all the shit talk aside. I'm just signing out. Till then, keep calm and have a great day. See you at the next video this week. So bye bye.